morning, everyone. In this video, we are going to present a discussion about whether social media is good or bad for teenagers. My name is Sunita Pratiwi, and I will be the moderator for this discussion. Before we start, let me introduce the members of our group. This is Aisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha. Nice to meet you.
Next, this is Amanda.
I'm Amanda Ulia Zara, and I'm happy to join to this discussion.
And the last member is Hassan.
Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Mukdi. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, everyone. As we know, many teenagers spend a lot of time on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Some people believe that social media is helpful, while others think it can be harmful. So today we will share our opinions and discuss this topic together. To start our discussion, Aisha, what do you think about social media for teenagers?
Thanks, Sunita. In my opinion, social media can be very helpful for teenagers. There are many positive things we can get from it. For example, we can watch educational videos, learn new skills, and get information very quickly. Many students even use social media to learn language, cooking, drawing, and many other skills. So personally, I think social media is not always bad.
I understand your point, Aisha, but I'm afraid I disagree with you. In my opinion, social media can also have many negative effects on teenagers. Sometimes teenagers spend too much time online and forget their responsibilities.
That's interesting, Wanda. Could you explain a little more about this?
Sure, many teenagers spend hours scrolling on social media every day. Sometimes they forget about their homework, their schoolwork, and even spending time with their family. Because of that, their productivity can decrease.
Sorry Nanda, could you clarify what you mean by too much time?
Yes, of course. What I mean is that some teenagers use social media for 5 or 6 hours a day. They keep checking their phone again and again, even when they should be studying or doing sometimes important.
I see your point, but if you ask me, it really depends on the person. Some teenagers can manage their time well. They can still study, do their homework, and help their parents while using social media.
Yes, I completely agree with Aisha. Social media itself is not the problem. The real problem is how people use it. If we use it wisely, it can be very useful.
Okay, that's it.
My kids are right, but sometimes social media can also be very addictive. Once teenagers start scrolling, it can be difficult for them to stop.
That's a good point. Hassan, what are your thoughts about that?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, social media is like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can give us many benefits, but on the other hand, it can also cause problems if we use it too much. For example, social media can help students communicate and share information quickly.
Yes, that's exactly what I think too. Social media helps teenagers stay connected with their friends, especially when their friends like far away or when they cannot meet often. For example, students can discuss school assignment through social media.
This might be true, but that's not always the case. Sometimes teenagers compare themselves with other people on social media.
Yes, I agree with that. Many people post pictures of the best moment, like traveling, buying new things, or having fun. Because of that, some teenagers may feel insecure about their lives.
That's a very interesting point. Do you think social media can affect teenagers' mental health?
Yes, I think it can. Sometimes teenagers see other people's life online and feel that their own lives are not as interesting or exciting. But we should remember that people usually only show the good parts of their lives on social media.
I agree with that. People rarely show their problems or difficult online, so it creates an unrealistic picture of life.
In other words, what we see on social media is not always the real situation. Sometimes it is only what people want others to see.
That makes sense. But besides the negative effects, do you think the social media also has positive impact on education?
Yes, definitely. Many students learn new things from social media. For example, they can watch tutorial video, study tips, or even science explanation. Some teachers also share their learning materials online.
I agree with that. Social media should support learning if students use it correctly, but students still need to control their time.
Yes, balance is very important. Teenagers should not spend all of their time online. They should also focus on their real life activities.
So, what do you think teenagers should do to avoid the negative effects of social media?
In my opinion, teenagers should limit their time on social media. And for example, they can decide to use social media only after finishing their homework.
That's an idea. Teenagers should also spend more time doing other activities like studying, exercising, reading books, or spending time with friends.
I agree with both of them. Teenagers should try to balance their online activities and their real life responsibilities. If they can do that, social media will not become a big problem.
So, maybe the real problem is not social media itself, but how people use it.
Exactly. Teenagers just need to be more responsible when using social media.
Yes, because if we are not careful, social media can easily get out of my hand.
Absolutely, balance and self-control are very important.
So, based on our discussion today, we can see that social media has both positive and negative effects on teenagers.
Yes, in my opinion, social media can be very helpful if teenagers use it wisely and for learning.
But at the same time, teenagers should be careful because using social media too much can cause problems.
I agree, teenagers should try to balance their online life and their real life.
So, in conclusion, social media can be both good and bad for teenagers. It really depends on how people use it. Thank you everyone for sharing your opinions today.
Very welcome.
You're welcome.
Bye bye guys. See you.
See you next